Alright guys, welcome to this lecture. Tuples are just like lists but immutable. Once created, their contents cannot be changed. Yes. So now how you can create tuples? You can create tuples like dimensions 1920, 1080. This is just an example. So now tuple versus list. Lists are mutable, so they are flexible. Tuples are immutable, which makes them safer for fixed data. Now how you can unpack tuple? Let's take a look. X, y equals dimensions. Let's print X and Y. You got the result, right? So X equals 1920 and Y equals 1080. Use cases. Use tuples for things like coordinates, fixed configuration values, multiple function return values. Yes, mind it. It will be useful later. Multiple function return values. Alright? Okay. So that's it for tuples. In our next lecture, we will explore sets.